Welcome back to ARC Synergy. My name is Angeline. I'm a licensed speech language pathologist as well as the founder and CEO of ARC Synergy, where we help clinicians stay licensed, organized, and informed. In today's episode, we're covering important information that you need to know in order to renew your state license. If you're watching us on YouTube, you can follow along visually with the ARC Synergy app. Feel free to leave us a comment and let us know your area of expertise. I'm really curious. And if you're listening to the podcast, all the links and resources discussed today are available in the episode description. Be sure to leave us a review and follow the show so you can be notified of future contents. ARC Synergy, a centralized licensure platform built by an SLP for SLPs, designed for practical clinical application. Today, we are going to walk through how to renew your speech language pathology license in Oregon. This is for full SLP licenses, and all of this information is pulled directly in the ARC Synergy app, so you can follow along there while we go through all the different requirements. In Oregon, full SLP licenses renew every 2 years, and the deadline is December 31st of odd numbered years. So, this is your year, don't wait. So here's what you need to do. So first, you confirm your eligibility and deadline for this renewal cycle. Next, you complete your professional development hours and make sure everything meets the Oregon requirements. Then you submit your renewal application and pay the renewal fee before the deadline. If you are selected for an audit, just be ready to upload your certificates. And if your license has lapsed, you will want to follow the board's reactivation or reinstatement steps. For CEUs, Oregon requires 20 total hours, including 1 hour in cultural competency. All hours have to come from accepted providers and they cannot be carried over to the next cycle. Hope you are enjoying this episode so far. Your support is really appreciated. If you're watching us on YouTube, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below to let us know what other state licenses you would like us to cover next. If you're listening to this podcast, please give us a follow and leave a comment to let us know what you think of the show. We would really appreciate it. Now back onto the episode. Let's talk about fees. Before your license expires, an active license renews for $250, and an inactive license renews for $75. If you have been marked delinquent, the fee is $150 to reinstate a delinquent license. And if you ever need to reach the board, we keep Oregon's board contact information right inside the Arc Synergy app. So it is always one tap away from when you need it. So that includes the board's email address and their phone number. If you want to see all of the deadlines, all of the required CEUs information, the fees, and the renewal steps all organized in one place, check out Arc Synergy, which is built by an SLP for other SLPs. So follow more for some of the state's renewal reminders. ARC Synergy, a centralized licensure platform built by an SLP for SLPs, designed for practical clinical application. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode. If you'd like to review these requirements on your own time, you can find everything we discussed today directly in the ARC Synergy app. You'll find all the links to the app stores in the description down below, or you can scan the QR code on the screen to get the app on iOS and Android devices. Remember, for short step by step app walkthrough and feature demonstrations, follow us on Instagram and TikTok. For real time licensing updates and rule changes, make sure to follow us on X. If you're looking to connect with other clinicians to ask us questions or join weekly discussions, our Facebook community is open to all clinicians. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments down below. If you're listening on a podcast platform, a quick follow and review really helps support the channel. Thanks again for being here. I'll see you in the next episode.